Be honest for a second. What if I told you there's a ridiculously simple AI hack that could put an extra $300 in your pocket every single month? No coding, no confusing tech setup, no long hours. Just you, your laptop, and a free tool that most people are sleeping on right now. I know what you're thinking. Come on, $300 a month? Sounds too good to be true. But stick with me because, in this video, I'm going to break down exactly how it works, step by step, with real examples you can copy. By the end, you'll know exactly how to use AI to create a small side hustle that can easily cover your Netflix, gym, your phone bill, or even snowball into something much bigger. So let's get straight into it. Here's the crazy part. Right now, thousands of people are already doing this exact thing, quietly pocketing an extra few $100s every month, and most of them aren't even tech people. They're students, stay-at-home parents, teachers, even people with 9-to-5 jobs who just want something extra on the side. And the best part? They're not selling courses, they're not building huge YouTube channels, and they're definitely not grinding 8 hours a day. What they've figured out is how to use AI as a shortcut to create things that people are already paying for. And once you understand this little hack, you'll realize that $300 a month is actually the bare minimum. Now, before I show you the how, let's make something clear. This isn't about overnight riches or quitting your job tomorrow, but it is about setting up something super simple that can give you a nice extra income, without stress, without risk, and without needing years of experience. So, let's reveal the hack. The simple AI hack that can earn you $300 a month is this: using free AI tools to create and sell digital products. That's it. Sounds almost too simple, right? But let me break it down. Right now, people are paying for things like social media templates, digital planners, printable designs for Etsy, blog posts or eBooks, resumes and cover letters, even study notes or checklists. These are small, digital products. The beauty? They take a few minutes to make with AI, and once you create them once, they can sell again and again, without you lifting a finger. Imagine this. You create a simple daily planner template with AI. You upload it to Etsy or Gumroad. Someone buys it for $5. You didn't ship anything, you didn't meet anyone, you just made money in your sleep. Now multiply that by 60 sales in a month. That's $300. And here's the kicker. With AI tools like ChatGPT, Canva, and a few free design generators, you can literally make these in under an hour. Let's take an easy example. Say you want to make resume templates. Normally, you'd need to be a professional designer. But with Canva plus ChatGPT, here's what you do. Go to ChatGPT and type, "Write me 5 professional resume templates for different industries: marketing, IT, finance, education, and healthcare." Boom! Instantly you have tailored resume text. Jump into Canva, which is free, pick a nice layout, and paste the AI-generated content. You tweak the colors, maybe add some icons, and within 20 minutes you've got a polished resume pack. Upload that as a digital download on Etsy, Gumroad, or even Fiverr. And guess what? People are constantly searching for resumes. New grads, career switchers, professionals, they're desperate for something simple that works. You just created it in minutes with AI. Sell it for $10 and you only need 30 people a month to grab it. That's your $300. But wait, it gets better. Do you know how big the digital product market is right now? It's exploding. In fact, Etsy alone has hundreds of thousands of searches every day for things like printables, planners, templates, and eBooks. Here's the wild part. Many sellers on Etsy are making thousands of dollars a month selling products they made with AI, and they don't even show their faces. They're faceless sellers hiding behind a shop name just collecting payments. And the best part? Once you upload something, it's basically passive income. It sells while you're at work, while you're sleeping, while you're out with friends. So if you've ever thought, "I wish I had a way to make extra money without adding another job," this is it. Okay, let's get practical. How do you actually start? Step 1. Pick a product type. Choose something simple: a planner, a resume, a set of social media posts, or even an ebook. Don't overthink it, just pick one. Step 2, use AI to create it. ChatGPT for text, Canva or Figma for design, free image generators like Leonardo or DALL-E for visuals. Step 3, package it up. Export your product as a PDF or PNG. Step 4, upload and sell. Create a shop on Etsy, Gumroad, or even Fiverr. Use ChatGPT again to write a killer product description so it stands out. Step 5, market it, optional. You don't even need paid ads. Just post TikToks or Instagram Reels showing your product, and people will click your shop link. That's it. You're live. You're in business. Now here's where it gets exciting. Once you've made your first $300, what's stopping you from making $600? Or $1,000? Think about it. If one product makes you $300, 5 products could make you $1,500. And you didn't add more work, you just uploaded more files. This is how a lot of people are secretly building micro-businesses on the side. They start small, just wanting to cover a bill, and then suddenly they're making more from their AI side hustle than their actual job. And remember, this is still early. AI tools are exploding right now, but most people still don't know how to use them. You're literally ahead of the curve just by watching this. Now, I'll be real with you. The quality of your products depends on the tools you use. If you want to do this right, you'll need 2 essentials. ChatGPT Plus. The $20 upgrade is worth it. It writes better, faster, and more unique content than the free version. One sale of your product can literally cover the cost. Canva Pro, the free version works, but Pro unlocks premium templates that make your designs look way more professional. Trust me, people pay for quality, and Canva Pro makes you look like a designer even if you're not. Think of it this way. Spend $20 on a tool, make $300 back. That's a 15x return. Where else are you going to get that? Let me paint you a scenario. You decide to create a weekly fitness planner with ChatGPT. You type in, "Give me a 7-day workout plan with daily meal suggestions for beginners who want to lose weight." Within seconds, ChatGPT spits out a full, detailed plan. You copy it into Canva, add some nice colors, maybe a few stock images, and package it as a 20-page PDF. You list it on Etsy for $7. Now imagine just 50 people buy it in a month. That's $350. And the next month, another 50 people buy it, and the next month, another 50. You didn't do anything extra, you just let the shop run. That's the beauty of digital products with AI. Now let me guess, you're thinking, yeah, but what if nobody buys it? Here's the truth, not everything will sell like crazy. But you don't need everything to work. You just need one product that clicks, and you'll never know which one until you try. That's why the key is to start small, test fast, and keep uploading. The more products you have, the more chances you give yourself to win, and AI makes this testing effortless. What used to take weeks now takes hours. So here's the bottom line, if you've been looking for a way to make extra money without taking another exhausting job, this is it. AI has completely leveled the playing field. You don't need to be a designer, you don't need to be a writer, you don't need to be a marketer. All you need is a laptop, a free AI tool, and the courage to upload your first product. That's it. $300 a month might not change your life overnight, but it will give you freedom. It will give you options. And once you realize how easy it is, you'll start thinking much bigger. So don't just watch this video and click away. Take action. Open ChatGPT, open Canva, create something today. Because the sooner you start, the sooner you'll be the one telling your friends, "Yeah, I make a few $100 on the side every month, thanks to one simple AI hack." Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button. Subscribe for more AI money hacks. And let me know in the comments what digital product you'd love to try first. And remember, this is just the beginning.